Hello everyone and welcome in FC26 game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to choose the controls presets in this game, so stay with me and watch the full video. Enjoy! As the first step, we have to open the settings by using this gear icon over here on the left upper corner. Now when you press it, then open settings and move to customize controls. In here on the blue name we can see the preset, and here by using these arrows we can change between two button, classic and alternate. So decide which one you want to use the most, then just choose it and exit the settings, then it should be saved. Now you can use your most preset in this game. Hope you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!